Brisbane, where the local time is 7:54 a.m. Although we are now on the ground, your safety is still very important to us. Please remain seated with your seatbelt fastened until the captain turns off the seatbelt sign after we arrive at the terminal. When removing articles from overhead lockers, do take care. They could have moved during the flight. And do check your seat pocket for personal items. While disembarking and throughout the terminal, smoking and the use of e-cigarettes is not permitted. If you have your mobile phones and electronic devices within reach, you may now turn flight mode off. For passengers with continued travel on the Qantas network, this aircraft arrives at the domestic terminal. If you have a flight number 400 or above that departs this terminal, please check the monitors in the arrival concourse for your gate number. Anyone with an international connection, flight numbers 1 through to 399, please proceed to the international transfer area on the ground floor for your bus transfer to the international terminal. That includes Qantas code share passengers, Jetstar International passengers. If you have a Jetstar domestic connection, go to baggage claim on the lower level of the terminal. Collect your luggage. It will be coming out on carousel number 2. Then go to the Jetstar check-in. And on behalf of Captain Wayne Gooder and all of the team, I'd like to thank you for choosing to fly with Qantas and One World. We do hope you enjoyed your time with us this morning. We look forward to seeing you on another flight sometime in the future. Thank you, and a very good day to everyone.